Welcome back to this video. This is a chart for EURUSD on the weekly time frame, as you can see, whereby we took some liquidity. As you can see, we took some liquidity here, and with this rectangle here, we hit this guy. The clearest liquidity that is lying here before the hit of this rectangle, we can see it was this guy here, right? This guy, so the liquidity was swept here. So what we are anticipating from right here was anticipating to find a bearish version of the standard trading model, where we take an entry, dropping down on the lower time frame. This before you is now on the daily time frame. You can see this guy here, the first break, the clearest first break of structure was around here after the sweep of that liquidity. It was a little bit crazy, right? And then we expected some movement over there, stop loss above here. So you can see this market rolling down to this place, taking this liquidity here. And again, see right here, at the sweep of this liquidity, we must be expecting some guy here, something here, some fast break of structure. You expect some reaction from this model. The other sweep of liquidity, which you can see right here. Then fast break of structure, of course, we have to try spot it on the lower time frame, which is happening on this red candle. So we want to see what happened before this market reversed from this place. That's this market from this place right here. How did it reverse that big downward red candle? Again, on the 4-hour time frame, this one is on the 4-hour time frame. We can see the liquid that was swept on the weekly is right here. Then this is what we said. We had a fast break of structure from this bottom. That is it. How liquidity swept. There was some manipulation. Liquidity swept, manipulation a bit, and now this market is rolling down. So first leg is this one, and there was a break of structure. This first leg, then there was a break of structure. Then it's high, which is right above here. This is where you take your entry. This is where you take your entries and ride the market. You ride the market, potentially targeting this lower low. So this is exactly what happened. The market came to the nearest liquidity. The nearest liquidity, as you can see here, this guy here, there's some liquidity taken here. And there was a reaction of this place. So let's watch out what happened here on this lower time frame. We'll still on the lower time frame. Yeah, aggressive ones can set a sell order here. Sell order right there. Just sell. Then I'll stop loss above this place and ride the market to the nearest liquidity, which is around here. Yeah, there's a sweep of liquidity around here, and take your money. But for the conservative ones, you want to confirm an entry again on the lower time frame, because this one was the 4-hour time frame. it drop again down on the lower time frame. Let's see. This one now is in the 30 minutes time frame. I believe the 1 hour had nothing much to offer. So this liquidity here that we've seen, this dotted line here, was the liquidity that originated from an inducement on the first break of structure from the 4 hour time frame. This is this guy here. So you are saying you want to look at what is happening. Let me show you. This guy here is that liquidity, and you want to see what is happening between this region on the lower time frame. Now this one is in the 30 minutes time frame. We can see clearly there was a sweep of liquidity. Manipulation, you can see market structure shift right here. So the first break of the first leg after the sweep of liquidity to the first leg, the clearest first leg is this one coming to this place. Then it went up and formed some inducement there and broke. And this guy was broken. So this is the first break of structure, which is right here, right? First break of structure. Then on its high, which is above here, right here, that's where you set your sell order, sell right there, and target potentially this lower low, which was smashed like magic. Stop loss above this place. Yeah, that is it. But you can always do your risk analysis properly between this zone, because this area is a little bit big. That's when I broke down on some video back there. So that is it, exactly what happened last week on EURUSD. And opening on this week, I can also see this zone here. Let me show you on the 4 hour time frame where I say there was a sweep of liquidity. Yeah, this is the place. As I said, there was a clear sweep of liquidity here, which this market tend to reverse. So if you drop down on the lower time frame and let's see what is happening at this place, the reversal of this market, right? We can see. Let's check on the. This one was on the 1 hour time frame. Yep. So 1 hour time frame, you can see now the liquidity that was clear or the swept is very, very clear here. This liquidity was taken. This is now the bullish version of the model. This video I made yesterday on TradingView, and I realized that my laptop is a bit slow, and there is some glitches. It was not clear, so I just decided to make downloads on these charts and make a repeat video of the same for you people to be for those ones who are following me, so that we move together. So we need a sweep of liquidity with this bullish version, sweep of liquidity, which we have right here. There was a clear sweep of liquidity. Then the first leg, and we find the break of structure. In first leg, you see this first leg is still here. Then this one was in the one, it's in the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna drop down on the lower time frame, where everything will be in contrast. So first, you can see first break of structure, this guy. Then it's lower low. It's lower low, which is right here, which is marked by this dotted line, is where you set your entry. Right here, set your entry to target the nearest liquidity, which was smashed. You can see this nearest liquidity was smashed. Yeah, stop loss are below this guy here. Still stronger low. So let's drop down on the lower time frame and see how the first breakout structure was very clear in the sweep of liquidity, and how we maneuvered to this place. This market is likely to go up there. So see. This one was the 30 minutes time frame, okay, and it got a sweep of liquidity which was on the 1 hour time frame. Yep, this is where I said you set your stop loss. Now the first breakout structure is very clear one, you can see here. But even that one was on the 30 minutes time frame. It's clear on the 30 minutes time frame where the buy, its lower low is right here. But I still believe when you drop down on the lower time frame, which I don't have a download on it, this was 30 minutes. On around 15 or 5 minutes, you can find that the clearest first breakout structure with this candle here, which candlestick pattern is this. This is graveyard doji or something, or star. Okay, I don't know. So this one, I believe there was a clear breakout structure somewhere there. And this guy here becomes the lower low, or even there was even maybe lower here, first breakout structure. So we just drop down on the lower time frame to refine our entries. That is what I just said. So that is where the market mitigated it, and boom, we rolled up to this guy. Ta-da. Ta-da. That's exactly what has happened. And with this sweep of liquidity, if you drop down on the lower time frame, you will see exactly what was happening. This marking is here, I was just here by mistake. There was a lot of logic here. Could have taken your trade somewhere around there and ride this market to this place. On the lower time frame, probably on the 5 from 15 and 5 minutes time frame, there was a bearish version of the model right there. That is it. Yep. And again, you can see, you can break down this chart. Our sweep of liquidity right here. The clearest first breakout structure, okay, I must say is right here, right? So it's over here. But again, you can see how this liquidity was swept here. That wick flashed below the other one, the sweep of liquidity, and see how this market reversed from there. Initially is a potential target profit, but we can always take profits on the nearest liquidities. That was as simple as that. That was what happened last week, and quickly, this is what happened yesterday on EURUSD. Yep. Potentially draw liquidity maybe above there. Tend to go up there, mitigate some guy up there. Yeah, that is it. That's what EURUSD had for us. The last video was a bit of glitchiness because the laptop is a bit slow. So thank you so much, and take care when you're trading. It is a holiday. Market might get you off track. Thank you and bye.